Good morning, beautiful people. So, guys, I hope you guys are good because I am good. So, guys, I'm on my way to the mall right now. It's not far, it's just up the road. I'm going to the mall to print out some flyers for my catering. Yes, you heard me correct. So, where I'm staying, I know that a lot of people do a lot of ordering. So people like takeaways basically. So I saw this as an opportunity for myself to do some catering, even if it's just a small thing, just as a side hustle. So right now I'm on my way to town to print out some flyers, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping so that when I approach people, it's easier for me to approach them with free samples. Because guys, if you're gonna sell something, you need to have proof of what you're selling basically. So I'm gonna do a bit of shopping. I'm gonna take you guys through my printing and shopping. So join me. Thank you. Not worrying much today. It's just me being all simple, as you can see. So guys, I am back from my shopping spree. As you can see, I've bought some couple of things. Okay, these are the flyers with the information at the back. What I need to do now, I need to make my chicken. These are for the fries. Tomato, chili, and tomato sauce. The takeaways. And I use this for the tomato sauce, the mince, this is for the chicken, some onions for the mince, salt, for the mince, some flour, some potatoes for the chicken. We don't need that one. That one is for my personal use. Okay, and then some veggies. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna put it for the mince or the chicken, but I'll see. Okay, some chicken fillets and more of the takeaways, the bigger ones now, and these packets for the samosas, just in case people order like a large bulk of samosas. I also do have the smaller ones, these ones. I bought them I think last week. And then these ones for the sauces, the different sauces. So I'm definitely going to use these ones for the sauces, which is going to be for vinegar, barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, and chili sauce. And that is it, guys. That is it. So now I'm going to tidy up quickly and then get to the samosas. Cool. Hey guys, so we are here with the ingredients. As you can see, I already have some of the things already poured in, like the flour. So to make pastry for samosas is not that difficult. It's pretty simple actually. So what I have here, I have about 350 grams of flour, and I have about half tablespoon of salt, which I'm just gonna pour in. And then we have a full teaspoon of parsley, just to give it a bit of color. You don't have to put the parsley, guys. I'm just doing it for, just to make it different and just adding some color to it. So we're just gonna mix these ingredients. Do not mind this one, because this one I'm gonna use it for later for my dough. So just gonna mix this. See? Then we're also gonna need warm or lukewarm water. The measurements, I will give you guys the measurements, as usually for me, I don't have the precise measurement when I do the samosas. But in this case, I have poured water up to 300, let me see. Yeah, I poured water up to 300 ml. So we're gonna see as we go how much we use of this warm water. not sticky, and perfectly kneaded. So you just take your samosa and fold it here, form a straight line, you can see, and then you fold this one here, to make the samosas into a cone shape with the space open here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a bit of our paste and stick it right at the end, like so, to make the samosa. Hope you guys can see this. Stick it together like this. Stick it together like this. And then we'll just stuff it in without filling and done. So guys, I am done with the samosas. As you can see, I've put 2 in each package, which is a chicken and a mince. Yeah guys, I went all out here. So I went all out here. Imagine these are the free samples. So imagine what I'm gonna do when people do order. This is great stuff. So let the journey begin.